Hi, I'm Lisa the Balloonista of DoodleBugsBalloons.com. I'm located in sunny California in San Rafael, which is about 20 miles north of the Golden Gate Bridge. I do balloon events, parties, line work, farmers markets, flea markets, carnivals. I work by the hour, by the piece, by tips and donations. Today I'm going to make you a very special flower, one that I make. It's your basic daisy. And, see her? She's got 3 petals. I think she's a little different than anyone you've ever seen. And if you notice, these 5 petals right here are very big. It's a little bigger than your 6-petal design. And I don't like the 6-petal design so much because it's so tight. I know it's not good for children. It's just a little too tight. And they just touch one thing in the blade of grass and pop. So let me show you how I do that. I take a 260 and I blow it up all the way. Okay, I blow it up all the way. And now I'm going to let air out. As much air as I can let out while still maintaining this fullness at the end. So I'm letting it out. Okay, there we go. That's about as loose as I can go. Let's get some air, squeeze some air back into the end. Okay. This is not an easy design. There's probably an easier way to do it. Okay, now I'm going to take and I'm going to stretch. I just very pull. And then I take it and I pull. Get it a little longer. It makes it a little easier. Okay. I'm going to want 5 equal pieces, and I'm looking at myself, which makes me not look at you. I'm going to make 5 equal pieces with a 1-inch bubble at the end. So let's see. I'm going to go 1, 2, 12 fingers works about right for me. Pinch, twist. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put that in half like that, and I'm going to twist again. Let's see if I test it. Let's test it to make sure it's going to come out right. Hey, look. That I want 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. Look at how much extra I have. That's not going to work. It's not long enough. Let's go 4, 8, 12 wasn't long enough. Let's go 15. 15 fingers. No more. We have to be very careful. You do too much. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 15 is going to leave me what? A 10-inch bubble. We're going to go 8, 12, let's go 14, between 13 and 14. It's going to make a difference because when it's 5 it adds a lot. Okay, 1, 2, voila, just right. Okay, so I'm going to add that one. I'm going to do this one, and then I'm ending up with not quite right. Okay, let's go 13. 13. Life is just too short for this. Once you get used to it, and the problem why I'm having so much trouble is every color has a different amount of finely. Better when I eyeball it than when I try to give you an exact measurement. There's my 5th piece and a bubble. Okay, see that? I am going to take this knot. This is why nobody else does it. I'm going to take this nozzle and I'm going to wrap it around this bubble. And I'm going to hang on to both pieces. And I'm going to go pull and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am hanging on to that bubble and nozzle. Now let's straighten them out into your basic flower. I promise this goes quicker once you get used to it. Okay, here's what I have. A nice big flower. Look at this one piece is bigger. Oh well. Okay, there we go. We got our basic flower like a little star. If anybody can tell me a better way to figure out how to get 5ths plus a 1-inch bubble, I'd love to know. I'm going to use a white bubble for a white balloon for the stem because it is easier to see. So let's fill this all the way up, and we're going to leave about, 3 fingers. Okay, let's see. Is that 3 fingers? 3 fingers. Let's burp it a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to tie it. I'll stretch it a little bit, you know, get that length. Get it nice and loose. Remember, the whole point, while we're spending all this time making this one instead of your basic 6 that you twist like a washcloth, is because those are too tight and they're not safe for the little kids. So this one we want nice and loose. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. This, there's a lot more leeway. Twist it. Now I want to make my 3 bubbles, plus I want to have about 3 inches on top of that. I think it looks cuter, so let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, yeah, the white shows up really well. Okay, so I got my bottom, got my top. I'm going to make a nice little bubble right there. See where this bubble is here? I'm going to do it on the other side. I'm going to put it in where the opening is right there, like that. And I'm just going to put it in nicely, not wrap, double wrap. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to do that like that. Okay, now look what happens. Because that bubble is in the back, it automatically bends it. I have my flower made, and I want to make it prettier. It looks pretty good. Could do a little, you know, get into a little perfection there. I've got the flower made. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video and enjoying Lisa, the Balloonista of Doodlebugs Balloons. I hope to be back in a few days with a better camera and show you some of my other special designs. Thanks for watching. Bye.